Have you ever poured your heart and soul into crafting the perfect social media ad only to be met with crickets? You're not alone. It's incredibly frustrating to watch your advertising budget disappear with little to show for it. You see those success stories, businesses doubling their leads, skyrocketing their sales, and you wonder what's their secret. The truth is, there's no magic bullet. Social media advertising is both an art and a science. It requires a deep understanding of your target audience, a keen eye for compelling visuals, and a strategic approach to budgeting and optimization. Get ready to say goodbye to wasted ad spend and hello to a flood of new customers. We'll equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to navigate the ever-evolving world of social media advertising. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this guide has something for everyone. Ready to transform your social media advertising from a source of frustration to a powerful engine for growth. Before you know how to create the magic in social media marketing, go subscribe Codecraft Cafe for more videos that will change your digital presence. Let's dive in. In today's digital age, social media isn't just a place to connect with friends and family. It's a bustling marketplace teeming with potential customers. With billions of active users across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, the sheer scale of your potential audience is staggering. Imagine being able to tap into this vast network and put your message directly in front of people who are already interested in what you have to offer. That's the power of social media advertising. Unlike traditional advertising methods that cast a wide net and hope for the best, social media allows you to target your ideal customers with laser precision. While the potential reach of social media advertising is enticing, simply running ads isn't enough. Approach it strategically, mastering targeting, creatives, and budgeting. Effective targeting is the foundation. Understand your audience, craft ads that resonate, increasing engagement and conversions. Ad creatives capture attention and communicate your message. Imagine embarking on a journey without a clear destination in mind. This is precisely why setting clear objectives is paramount in social media advertising. It's about defining your destination. What do you want to achieve with your ad campaigns? Are you looking to build brand awareness, drive traffic, or generate leads? Each of these objectives requires a different approach. And without a clear understanding of your desired outcome, your ad campaigns will lack direction and focus. Clearly defining your objectives provides a roadmap for your entire social media advertising strategy. Once you've established your primary objective, it's time to align your actions accordingly. This means carefully considering how each aspect of your ad campaign, from targeting to creative to bidding, will contribute to achieving your goal. By aligning every action with your overarching objective, you create a cohesive and effective social media advertising strategy, ensuring that your budget is being used efficiently and that your efforts are driving tangible results. Remember, a clearly defined destination paired with aligned actions is the key to unlocking success in the world of social media advertising. In the bustling marketplace of social media, it's tempting to shout your message from the rooftops, hoping to catch the attention of anyone and everyone. However, this spray and pray approach is rarely effective, often leading to wasted ad spend and minimal returns. To truly connect with your audience, adopt a targeted approach, starting with a deep understanding of your ideal customer. Leverage social media data to pinpoint your ideal customers with precision. This increases your chances of capturing attention and driving conversions. Once you have a firm grasp of your target audience, craft ads that speak to their needs and desires. Understand their pain points and motivations, and tailor your messaging to resonate personally. Step into their shoes to create welcome solutions. Transform your ads into powerful tools for connecting with your ideal customers. In the fast-paced world of social media, you have mere seconds to capture your audience's attention before they scroll on to the next post. High-quality visuals are non-negotiable. Whether you're using photographs, illustrations, or videos, ensure they are sharp, vibrant, and relevant to your message. Video content, in particular, is incredibly effective in capturing attention. Consider using animations, explainer videos, or behind-the-scenes glimpses to create a more dynamic and memorable experience for your audience. While visuals are crucial for grabbing attention, your ad copy is what seals the deal. Keep your copy concise, clear, and compelling. Use strong verbs, ask questions, and highlight the benefits of your product or service. A strong call to action is essential. Tell your audience exactly what you want them to do next, whether it's visiting your website, downloading a resource, or making a purchase. Money matters, setting your budget. Social media advertising is incredibly flexible, allowing you to set a budget that aligns with your business goals and financial resources. Unlike traditional advertising methods that often require significant upfront investments, social media platforms give you granular control over your spending. Start by determining a realistic budget that aligns with your overall marketing spend. As you gain a better understanding of your target audience and ad performance, you can adjust your budget accordingly, allocating more resources to high-performing campaigns and scaling back on those that aren't delivering the desired results. The bidding game. Automatic versus manual. Bidding is the process of telling social media platforms how much you're willing to pay for each action taken on your ads, such as a click, impression, or conversion. Social media platforms typically offer two main bidding options: automatic and manual. Automatic bidding uses algorithms to automatically adjust your bids based on your budget and the competition. Manual bidding gives you complete control over your bids, allowing you to set specific amounts you're willing to pay for each action. The data doesn't lie. You've launched your social media ad campaigns and the wheels are in motion. The real magic of social media advertising lies in its ability to provide a wealth of data that can be used to track performance and make data-driven adjustments. By closely monitoring key performance indicators or KPIs, such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition, you gain valuable insights into how your ads are resonating with your target audience. These metrics tell a story, revealing which elements of your campaigns are hitting the mark and which ones need a little tweaking. Armed with data and insights, you can begin the iterative process of optimization, the art and science of fine-tuning your ad campaigns to maximize their effectiveness. It's about constantly experimenting, learning, and adapting based on what the data tells you. Start by identifying areas for improvement. Don't be afraid to test different ad variations, targeting options, and bidding strategies. By embracing data-driven decision-making and a willingness to experiment, you can transform your social media advertising from a guessing game into a well-oiled machine that consistently delivers exceptional results. Let's face it, hearing about the theory of social media advertising is one thing, but seeing it in action is what truly brings it to life. So, let's dive into a real-world example of how one business transformed their struggles into a social media success story. Meet Green Bean Coffee Roasters, a small batch coffee roastery based in Seattle. Passionate about their craft and committed to ethical sourcing, Green Bean had built a loyal following in their local community. However, they dreamed of expanding their reach and sharing their exceptional coffee with a wider audience. Determined to crack the code of social media advertising, Green Bean Coffee Roasters reassessed their approach. They realized their previous campaigns lacked clear objectives and effective targeting. They defined their primary objective to increase online sales. They targeted coffee enthusiasts interested in specialty beans. They revamped their ad creatives with high-quality images showcasing their unique blends. Video ads highlighting sustainable sourcing resonated well. They tracked KPIs like click-through and conversion rates. Using these insights, they optimized their campaigns continuously. Congratulations! You've journeyed through the dynamic world of social media advertising, uncovering essential strategies to transform your online presence. From defining clear objectives to crafting captivating creatives, you now possess the knowledge to navigate this landscape with confidence. Remember, social media advertising requires a tailored approach and continuous learning. Embrace testing, analyzing, and refining your strategies. Subscribe to our channel for more guides and tips. Let's take your advertising game to the next level together.